Hello friends, I am Dr. Anjum Rashid. In this video, I will talk about the calories and nutritional facts of grains, cereals, breads and different kinds of nuts. Wheat may be a decent source of several vitamins and minerals. These include selenium, magnesium, manganese, zinc, phosphorus, copper, folic acid. Whole grain is also rich in phytic acid, lichens, ferulic acid and sulfur. It lowers risk of heart disease, stroke, obesity and type 2 diabetes. Fiber in whole grains support healthy digestion. It also reduces chronic inflammation and may decrease risk of cancer. Now, all-purpose wheat flour about 100 gram contain 364 calories. Fat is 1 gram, carbohydrate are 76 gram and protein is 10 gram. In whole grain wheat flour, about 100 gram contain 332 calories. Fat is 2 gram, carbohydrate are 74 gram and protein is 10 gram. Corn contain valuable vitamin B, especially vitamin B6. These are important to overall health. Corn also provide our bodies with essential minerals such as zinc, magnesium, copper, iron and manganese. Corn is a good source of antioxidant and carotenoids, lutein and zeaxanthin which promote eye health. It also prevents cataract and age-related macular degeneration. Now, whole corn flour about 100 gram contain 86 calories. Fat is about 1.2 gram and the fiber is 2.7 gram. Carbohydrates are 19 gram and protein is 3.2 gram. Bajra is rich in magnesium which help keep the heart healthy. It has potassium which dilate blood vessels and allow blood to flow more easily. This helps decreasing blood pressure. It has fiber that help reduce low-density lipoprotein or bad cholesterol. Bajra contain phytic acid, tannins and phenol, all which are potent antioxidants which help prevent aging and metabolic diseases like heart diseases, stroke and cancer. Now, 100 gram of bajra contain 361 calories, in which fat is about 12 gram, carbohydrate is 67 gram and protein are 12 gram. Sorghum or jawar is rich in nutrients including vitamin B, especially thiamine, riboflavin and pantothenic acid, which play an important role in metabolism, neural development and skin and hair health. These are rich source of magnesium which is important for bone formation, heart health and several biochemical reactions in bodies such as energy production and protein metabolism. Sorghum also contain antioxidants. Now 100 gram of sorghum contain 329 calories. Fat is about 3.5 gram, carbohydrates are 72 gram and protein are 11 gram. One bread slice of about 37 gram contain 98 calories, fat 1.2 gram, carbohydrate 18 gram and protein 3.3 gram. Now one whole wheat bread slice which is about 32 gram contain 81 calories, fat is 1.5 gram, carbohydrate 14 gram and protein is 4 gram. One rusk of about 10 gram contain 41 calories, 0.7 gram of fat, 7.2 gram of carbohydrate and 1.4 gram of protein. Now one biscuit about 60 gram contain 212 calories, 9.8 gram fat, 27 gram carbohydrate and 4.2 gram of protein. One tea biscuit about 8.3 gram contain 37 calories, in which fat is about 1.2 gram, carbohydrate is 6.2 gram and protein is 0.5 gram. One chocolate biscuit which is about 17 gram contain 84 calories, 3.8 gram of fat, 1.7 milligram of cholesterol, 11 gram of carbohydrate, 0.9 gram of protein and 1.4 milligram of caffeine. One butter biscuit which is about 30 gram contain 140 calories, 5.6 gram of fat, 21 gram of carbohydrate and 1.8 gram of protein. One medium-sized chocolate chip cookie which is about 30 gram contain 148 calories, 7.4 gram of fat and carbohydrate is about 20 gram and protein is 1.5 gram. It contains caffeine about 3.3 milligram. 1 cup of boiled rice contain 205 calories, 0.4 gram of fat, 4.5 gram of carbohydrate and 4.3 gram of protein. Kidney beans about 1 cup in amount which is 184 gram contain 613 calories, in which there are 60 gram of carbohydrate, 24 gram of protein and fat is about 0.8 gram. It also contains significant amount of fiber. calcium, vitamin B6, magnesium and iron. 1 cup of cereals, about 28 gram, contain 105 calories. Fat is about 1.9 gram, carbohydrate is 21 gram and protein is 3.4 gram. It also contains vitamin A, vitamin C, iron and calcium. Almonds lower low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, which is a bad cholesterol in the body. These are packed with vitamin E, magnesium and potassium, which help oxygen and nutrient flow more freely through the blood vessel. Almonds are bone-building food and contain large amounts of calcium. Now, half cup dry roasted almonds with no added salt, which are about 46 gram, they contain 275 calories, 24 gram of fat, 9 gram of carbohydrate, 10 gram of protein. Pistachio have increased level of unsaturated fatty acid and potassium, and it decreases your chance of cardiovascular diseases. This increased amount of fiber, mineral and unsaturated fat can help keep your body blood pressure, blood sugar and cholesterol in check. Now 1 ounce or 30 gram of pistachio nuts contain 159 calories, 13 gram of fat, 8 gram of carbohydrate and 6 gram of protein. Walnuts are rich in antioxidant, vitamin E, vitamin B6, magnesium, melatonin, polyphenols. It is also a super plant source of omega-3 fatty acid, which decreases inflammation, promotes healthy gut, and decreases risk of some cancers. It is also good for weight control. It may manage type 2 diabetes and decrease blood pressure. It contains nutrients that protect your brain from damaging inflammation. Now 30 gram of walnuts, about 14 halves, contain 185 calories. Fat is 18 gram, carbohydrate are 3.9 gram and protein is 4.3 gram. Cashew nuts are rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fatty acid. These are also protein-rich. They contain good amount of iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium and vitamin B6. These boost your immune system and are an excellent source of antioxidant. Cashew nut also contain no cholesterol and lower the risk of gallstone. These are excellent vegetarian source of copper, which is required in various physiological reactions in the body. These are less caloric dense food than other nuts, so they are an excellent snack choice for people which are following a low calorie and high protein diet. Now 1/3 cup of cashew nuts, which is about 46 gram, contain 262 calories. Fat is 7 gram, carbohydrate is 15 gram and protein is 7 gram. Peanuts are most helpful when they are in their raw form. Good source of helpful monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fatty acid, protein and fiber. They also contain plenty of potassium, phosphorus, magnesium and vitamin B. Despite being high calories, peanuts are nutrient rich and low in carbohydrate and reduces risk of cardiovascular diseases. Now dry roasted peanut of about 1 ounce, 28.4 gram, contain 166 calories, 14 gram of fat, 6 gram of carbohydrate and 7 gram of protein. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.